This video is sponsored by Lowe's.
Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I've built a large collection of DeWalt power tools over the years at a fraction of the cost. I'm going to give you a long-term review of the DeWalt power tools, the 20 volt especially, show you some of my favorite ones, and I've been a welder, mechanic, fabricator for over 25 years, guys, and I've used all types of brands, and I'm going to show you why DeWalt is probably one of my favorite ones. And guys, if you haven't tried some of these battery powered tools now, the 20 volt DeWalt, you're going to be shocked at how well made and how powerful they are. So first, the way I've always gotten them for a fraction of the price is I wait for Lowe's to come out with their deals. They always have great deals, and I would highly recommend getting in there now for these December deals because it's all over the place. They have slashed prices on a bunch of stuff. They have Craftsman and Cobalt, which I like both of those brands. I've had both. I've never had any power tools from Cobalt, but I did have a mower that I really liked. I did a video on that. But my DeWalt tools, the reason I like them the most is because they just are so durable. I've never really had any problems out of any of them, and the batteries just last for a long time. And I need to replace 2 batteries. And they always have these deals like this right here where you can get like a couple of battery pack, like maybe even one with a charger. But this one right here, you buy these 2 batteries for $1.99 and you can get a tool or another battery, but you can select any of these tools right here along with it. And a lot of these tools are worth $150, $200 or more, and the batteries alone are worth $150. Or for $2.99, you can get 2 batteries, a charger, and 2 tools. I think I'm going to go with this one. I don't need another charger. I've got several chargers, but I would really like to have this smaller paddle trigger grinder. I don't think this is... I'll try that another time. That was nice. The associate just came up and handed me the exact boxes that I needed while I was just kind of looking at the other stuff. So guys, right here is the DCF 900, and right behind it right there is the new DCF 961. Now the 900 has breakaway torque of 1400, and this DCF 961 has a breakaway torque of 1750. I mean, it's crazy. Like, check out this deal. For $149, you're getting a drill and a 1/4-inch impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $149. And if you like those 1/4-inch impacts like I do, some of my favorite tools, you can get all the little attachments right here. And I'm going to show you one thing that you may not be aware of. It's just a little right angle tool. They have several variations of it. I don't have this one. I have a smaller one I'll show you later. But this one has like this telescoping rod there, and this just has the head. But basically you can put your 1/4-inch attachment pieces like your Phillips bit drivers or 1/4-inch socket drivers, 3/8 socket drivers. This is the one I have, 26 bucks, and it's a little right angle, and so it lets you get into those really tight spots. You'll be shocked at how convenient that becomes in all kinds of situations, around the house, working on cars, all kinds of things. Every time I come to Lowe's, I gotta walk through here and just look at all the stuff, and it reminds me of a lot of things that I need. So I often forget, but man, they just got everything. A lot of high quality tools. You'd be surprised the quality of some of these tools. I mean, I'll show you the receipts I've got from Lowe's. It's ridiculous. But yeah, whether you're coming in here for the last minute Christmas shopping or just you're trying to save some money and get these great deals on these tool combo kits, check out the December deals especially. They always have some type of deals going on, but this particular deal, I believe it said on the January 7th. But, you know, get in here. It's not too bad. It's not too crowded. I thought it would be worse, but, you know, it is the weekend of right before Christmas. Staff's pretty helpful. So everything's going good right before. I was expecting it to be just more chaos. Oh, look, they got bags. Had to get out of there. I was going to spend too much money. Another reason I really like Lowe's is they seem to care about our veterans more than any other store that I go to. If you don't want to go into the store, you can use one of my affiliate links. I'll have them in the description and probably have some in the pinned comment. So take advantage of some of these deals, guys. And this is how I have accumulated a lot of tools. I never feel bad about buying some tools, and I'll tell you why. Because the more tools you have, the more opportunity of either making money or doing repairs yourself. It's a win-win. But I've been able to collect all these tools and batteries, and sometimes I might need a tool and I'll get batteries for free, with the deal, or I'll need some batteries. Like in this situation, I have those 2 batteries there. And let's take a look at the date. So they're still working. I just put a question mark on it because they weren't working as well. But let's see. So these are 2018 right there. You can see that right there. So in 2 weeks, it's going to be 2016. So you can go ahead and call that a good 8 years. There's the other one. And I just was like in question if they were bad. So that's why I marked them with those question marks. When I was probably about 16, 17, 18, I was wanting to put an air compressor on my Jeep and everything just because there were no battery tools. And then when they did come out with some battery tools, you would be lucky if you could change like one tire on like an F-250 or something before the battery would go out. These DeWalt tools now, like a 4 amp hour XR battery, you could do, I would bet you could do all 4 tires on an F-250. Probably on one battery, you could probably do at least 5 trucks, at least. So 20 tires, I would bet. And I've actually done some videos showing how long, the 12 volt 2 amp hour battery, how many tires how many tires it would do on one battery. So I have a video showing that. But I love these tools. This thing right here, this DCF 900, is a freaking beast. They have a stronger one now, but this one is just overkill. It's like it's not overkill. I mean, for those big jobs, it's overkill for a lot of jobs, is what I'm saying. But sometimes when you have to pull this out, it's going to either break it loose or it's going to break the bolt or something. It's ridiculous how much. I think it's 1,200 breakaway. Maybe it's 1,400. I'll have to put it up on the screen. It's incredible. And it has a selector, but you see how heavy it is? So when I would change like blades, I would have to reach underneath the deck and try to, you got all that weight right here. It gets real heavy. So then that's why I ended up buying the 1/2-inch drive. Let's see, it was the DCF 901. All right, so it takes the 2 amp or the 12 volt battery. So it's a lot lighter. I mean, it's not quite as strong, but it's strong enough for what I needed. And then I liked having that, and I got a tool deal where I wanted to try the 20 volt, and then I got that power stack battery, the 20 volt power stack, and look how close it is. These are pretty much identical tools, the 911 and the 901. I got the 911 for that 20 volt, have more amp hours, but it's still shocking how much just that extra height even with that power stack battery, that smaller one, the 12 volt, you can get into some tighter spots. Both are very useful. I love them both. Probably 2 of my favorite tools. And having multiple tools when you have several different jobs going on at the same time, very convenient. Yeah, but the battery powered stuff, it's really strong. You'll be surprised at how strong it is. It's fast, and you're not having to deal with the cords, the air hoses running around as much. All those cords and things on the floor create a safety hazard. They get in the way. It's just annoying. But speaking of which, like talking about some of the DeWalt tools that I bought that have lasted forever, this thing has got 1 billion miles on it, and it still works great. And a lot of times, like I have 2 of them. I use this one less. I need to do something to it because I've replaced the little rollers a couple of times, but that's about it. And it has some metal in it right now, but it still works. But you hear that sound? It's got a little bit of, I know what it needs because I've had it for so long. I'm shocked at how long that's lasted. I've told people if it only lasted half as long as it's done, I would have been very happy. But I've bought a new one recently, and a lot of times I'll have a saw here, a saw there. It's the same with the impacts. I might have several jobs where, impacts all loaded up with sockets, and the bandsaw is the same way. I might have a bandsaw over here on my trailer cutting steel and have another bandsaw on my workbench. And these are probably my favorite tools, the DCF 801, and I love this thing. I have two of them because, like I said, I'll always have like something set up, and this is that little tool that I was going to show you guys that in the store. This is like a little right angle, and so you could slip this in there, and then you have like a little tool where you can do a 90-degree angle and get into really tight spots. It's like you can have like little screwdrivers, or if you need to run like a 1/4-inch socket or a 3/8 socket, you just snap it right in there like so, then pop it in here like that. I'm gonna do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera. And then look, you got like a little, it's nice. It's so nice you can get into those really tight little spots. Now I carry an impact in my 4Runner, and anytime we take a vacation, road trip or anything, I carry an impact in the vehicle with me, because you're not gonna catch mechanical mind on the side of the road turning a 4-way lug wrench when I can turn that hardest part of that. If I have a flat tire, I can turn the hardest part of that job into the easiest part. Let me prove it to you guys. I have not sped up this video, and this is actually the same day of making this video. With one finger, I'm able to pull that trigger and remove these lug nuts. It's too easy. Imagine this being an emergency situation, like your trailer or your truck. So easy. And another reason I like to buy those kits, especially the ones that have like the bags, is because I'll use the bags for other stuff. Like I keep bags of tools in my vehicles. Like for example, this was an old bag that a drill set came in, but I'll have other little bags inside of it to organize like my wrenches. I have like wrenches, my standard metric will be in another bag, ratchets, extensions and things like that. And now I'm looking to replace that bag with that DeWalt bag. That looked really cool in the store. Guys, I can honestly say I don't think in the past decade that I've bought a single power tool, DeWalt power tool, without it being one of the Lowe's deals. And what I like about this deal is, as you can see, I had plenty of battery chargers. I don't need any more battery chargers, but I did need 2 more batteries because my 8-year-old batteries, eventually, they're still working, they're just not working as well. And I'm going to take those old batteries, I can take those to Lowe's and dispose of them. They'll dispose of them for you. But for $200, it was out the door, it was $212.93. It'll depend on your tax, obviously, for your state. But I was able, for $200, get 2 batteries and a grinder. That's a really good deal. And just real quick, one other thing that I like to grab in addition to always using these gloves, and you can see through all my past videos, guys, look, I'm wearing some of these gloves, these Project Source gloves from Lowe's. I wear the 3M clear safety glasses, but I love these soft foam earplugs. Really, really nice. I like those a lot. So those are the 3 safety things that I always got to make sure I'm in stock of. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out and gave you some ideas. Maybe get in there to Lowe's, take advantage of those December deals and all the different types of tool combinations and everything. So guys, there you have it. It's so easy when you have plenty of tools. Get out, you learn more skills. It just makes everything so much easier, more efficient. You can make money, just do your own repairs. It's actually fun. Get into Lowe's, take advantage of those deals they got, these December deals they got. And if you don't want to go into the store, just click the affiliate links that I have in the description and in the pinned comment. That's the best way you guys can support the channel, and I can bring you more repair videos. Check out all my past repair videos of like lawnmowers and everything else. Been a mechanic for over 20 years, over 25 years, mechanic and welder fabricator. Got lots of more videos coming soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to the channel. Do me a favor, hit the like button on your way out, and I'll have more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.